Hello, my name's David Dungay. Welcome to Enterprise Connect 2026. We're here in the sunny Las Vegas. I'm with Luiz Domingos. How are you doing, Luiz?
Hello, doing well, thank you.
Excellent. So, Luiz, Mitel, we're at the same show in a new location. But tell me, what are Mitel's key priorities this year around Enterprise Connect?
Yes, Mitel this year has important announcements, but our main strategy and priorities have been around hybrid solutions, vertical applications, and hybrid deployments across edge environments. So we have new announcements in that area. So on hybrid, we believe hybrid is here to stay. It is the type of solutions that customers deploy nowadays. For verticals, we have strong presence with products in vertical communications, for healthcare, for government, for finance, and in addition, we have our innovations around AI, which is part of our portfolio, present around our contact center offers, as well being deployed now in our workflow experience, UC solutions, and vertical applications.
Wow, there's a lot to unpack there.
Absolutely.
Where should we start? Let's start with the recent announcement around the workforce product, Mitel WX. Tell me about that. What was the thinking behind the launch of this product, and how is that fitting into the Mitel portfolio?
Yeah, Mitel WX is our evolution of UC. We believe UC needed some more capabilities, more applicability to not only knowledge workers, but also for frontline workers. And WX is that experience. It is a new modular solution that allows you to bring applications, customizations, and workflows that are required for all sorts of frontline workers out there, not only for mobile, but also for people on the go, people in emergency solutions, emergency healthcare. All of those require specialized applications, and Mitel WX has the modularity to deliver that to customers.
I mean, it's an interesting question, this next one. I mean, I look around the room and, this communications has been a market that's long been sort of consolidating, commoditized in a lot of ways. Is things like workforce solutions and employee experience type solutions, is this a new battleground now in which we're all going to see, everyone compete on?
Yeah. Experience is the future front. Customer experience has been there for quite some time, correct? And everybody's now has invested a lot bringing the AI for customer experience. But now, workforce experience in general is something very unique, and many vendors, particularly ourselves, are trying to bring that solution. And we're trying to bring that solution in a secure, safe way, without vendor lock-in, and also in a sovereign data private environment. So our customers are asking for that. In some regulated markets, in some regulated verticals, our customers are asking for this capability, and we have that now embedded into our portfolio. It is a battleground for sure, but there's a fantastic opportunity for communication solutions to embed AI and make a big difference for customers. Because reality is that communications generate a lot of data, and how you monetize, how you bring that data into business value is what we're trying to do now with AI infusion.
Well, I mean, let's talk about AI then. Mitel Edge, that was another recent announcement. Tell us the thinking behind that announcement and how that's helping you drive, these AI-driven experiences for your customers.
Yeah. Mitel Edge is our belief that intelligent communication platforms are continuing to evolve, and providing customers that environment that gives them data security, that provides them the processing of their data in a secluded environment. Now, if you think about Mitel Edge, bringing Edge AI, which is part of the Mitel portfolio, we are going to give customers the ability to protect their data, deploy it in any infrastructure, edge, private cloud, secure cloud, and at the same time protect their data with the secure environment we provide.
Let's talk about maybe some of the future. If we can look at least a few years ahead, it's kind of hard to look into the future at the moment with the pace of change. But we've got AI, we've got the contact center. A lot is changing. How are you seeing those changes? What are you kind of focused on as Mitel? And where are we going to be in the next few years?
From the communications perspective, experience is going to be blended into a continuum. It's not going to be user, employee, customer experience. It's going to be everything is a continuum, experience as a whole. I see that in the future. Now, the future is AI. And the question is how agentic will play an important role on how customer workflows are created. We are seeing that as an opportunity to change how communications work. I believe voice is the new UI for AI because it is more natural, and we are investing. We are a vendor of voice, and we'll continue to invest there, so we want to be present in that. And creating the flexibility, because AI is not a one-size-fits-all, so what we have with Workflow Studio at Mitel in our solutions allow customers to customize, and that customization will go into agentic features as well.
So it is a bit of a minefield for enterprise customers right now. Things are changing rapidly. What's your message to the enterprise buyers in the room that are maybe looking at AI or looking at different solutions and how they should think about their journey over the next few years?
Yeah, the journey should be towards flexibility. So avoiding vendor lock-in and ensure that you have your data, which is your most important property, correct, as an enterprise, fully protected. Because at the moment that data goes out, what's the edge you have as an enterprise? So the message is basically protect your data, secure your data, and at the same time ensure that you're not tied to a single vendor, because in the future you're going to need flexibility.
Luiz, thank you so much for talking to me. Enjoy the rest of the show. Thank you.
Thanks for having me. Enjoy it as well.
And thank you for watching. You'll be watching me, David Dungay, on CXM.